my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a video that I'm actually really excited about. I heard about this from another channel that I love. I don't even know her name, but her channel name is Vester Beauty. Maybe I'm not even pronouncing it right. I'll link it below. And she did this 15 minutes a day clean your house video. I was so intrigued by it and I was like, there's no way that would work. Maybe, I don't know. Like, I was very skeptical. So I decided, you know, I'm gonna put this to practice and I'm gonna try it for a few weeks, and if it works, I'm gonna share it with you guys. And I'm just gonna tell you, I am honestly so blown away that I can spend 15 minutes a day cleaning and I feel like my house is pretty clean. Cleaning the house can be overwhelming for me. And I know that we're all in different stages of life, but I swear the age of my kids, and they're not able to help with pretty much anything. My oldest is 4, and then I have my 2-year-old and my 1-year-old. They just make messes and they are impossible to keep up with, and I feel like I clean all day just to end the day with a messy house. And then I just put the kids to bed and I end up continuing to clean. So this method, I was, like I said, very skeptical, but it honestly worked so well. And so I kind of wanted to share it with you guys and then tell you guys what I think worked really well for me. And I would encourage you to try it in your house and see kind of what adjustments you can make to make it work really good for you. The idea of only cleaning for 15 minutes a day is very manageable, and otherwise it can be so overwhelming. So basically you have kind of one main task each day and you just spend 15 minutes on it. Now for me, this is way simple because my house, our living area is quite small. I don't have that much to cover. If you have a huge house, then you might have more time. Honestly, for me, it was more like 5 to 10 minutes a day, and I'm not complaining. That's amazing. Our main floor is the only floor that we actually currently live on, and it's just under 2,000 square feet. The basement is completely unfinished, so when we have all of that space, I might say that this won't work, but for me, it worked so well in the small space that we're living in. So Mondays is bathroom days, and I like that because that's kind of like the most dreaded thing that I have to do, and that was definitely the most involved cleaning day. So on Mondays, I went in and I cleaned the vanities, I organized a little bit. When I filmed my cleaning, we had just gotten back from a trip, so everything was pretty chaotic and we had a lot of unpacking to do. I'll go ahead and clean the showers, bathtubs, and toilets. Like I said, I only have 2 bathrooms right now. So for me, that was pretty manageable and I can get it done in about 10 minutes and it stayed clean. Like, that was good. Like, I think a big key factor in all of this is, even if your toilet doesn't look dirty, just clean it. Even if the floor doesn't look like it needs to be vacuumed, just do it. So do whatever you're supposed to do, just do it. Even if you're like, well, it looks fine, just do it. Then you're done for the week. And it worked pretty well. Okay, so the next day is dusting and surface cleaning. And that was very easy. That was very simple. I just went around and I cleaned like any dresser tops, or I deep cleaned some countertops because they had gotten really bad. So from now on, I would think that that could be something that doesn't need to be deep cleaned. I can just like quickly organize my little junk spot. And I wiped down bathroom vanities again, just because that does tend to build up quicker. I wiped down windowsills and anything that needs to be dusted. I think a huge key thing for that is the less things you have out, the easier your dusting is. I have very few things on any dressers, or I really have nothing. Like, I really don't have a lot of decor. For me, that keeps it very simple to keep it clean. There's not a lot of dusting. I really just have to wipe things down and not worry about little trinkets and stuff. The next day is vacuuming, and for me, vacuuming is like my favorite chore, so I totally didn't mind this day, and I did get it done very quickly. I only have 1 main rug, and then I have my bedrooms have carpet in them. So I really just had to vacuum that area, and the logic is, after you dust, all the dust will be on the floor, and then you vacuum and you pick it all up. And the other thing is, I have hard floors throughout. I do lightly vacuum there, but I also sweep every day. So at the end, I'll tell you guys the things that I pretty much have to do every day, regardless of this schedule. So then the next day, Thursday, I believe, yes, Thursday is mopping and washing floors. So it kind of leads into each other. You dust, you vacuum up the dust, and then it's clean enough to mop. For me personally, because I have a dog and I have toddlers who spill food, I can't just wait a whole day between vacuuming and mopping, but I can just sweep and then I can mop. So for me, that works better. because of my life situation. But yeah, like I said, I pretty much have to sweep every day. Otherwise, it's just, you just have to in my house. Okay, Friday is a very important day. Friday is a catch-all day or a catch-up day or whatever it needs to be for you. And so personally for me, it was just kind of like another day to pick something to deep clean, whether it was like a junk drawer or maybe I needed to shampoo a few spots on the carpet or just different things that needed to be deep cleaned, organizing a closet or whatever. That's a day where I can spend that 15 minutes doing something else. And then the Saturday is a laundry day, which for me means like sheets and towels, and that way all the sheets get changed. My sheets and my bed get so dirty throughout the week because my kids, I don't know, the kids just like tend to like bring food in my bed. It's a terrible habit we're trying to break. But anyways, I need to wash the sheets at least once a week, and it's pretty easy for me because I just have my sheets and like the baby sheets. The boys don't currently sleep in their own beds. We're working on that. Maybe when they start sleeping in their own beds, it'll be a little bit more that I have to do. And then towels. So the things that I have to do every day, regardless of this schedule, are picking up toys. I don't know anyone who can get around that. You just have to pick up toys at the end of every day. Like I mentioned, I have to sweep because food and dog and our backyard is dirt. So, I mean, between all of that, I just have to sweep. And that's okay. Honestly, it takes me 3 minutes. Like, I dread getting started, but once I'm started, it's easy to finish. And then laundry. I do a batch of laundry every day. I have young kids. I know I said that 10 times, you guys already know, but they dirty their clothes really quickly, and it's just so easy for me to do one load of laundry, finish it, sort it. It takes me like 5 minutes to sort as opposed to like 30 minutes if I were to wait a few days. So I do a load of laundry every day, and that works for me. So basically what this process has done for me is it has eliminated like a full day of cleaning just to have the house dirty the next day. So I can totally spot clean. It's not like I can never touch my toilet again throughout the week if the boys go crazy or something, but it's typically clean. And so this has eliminated the pressure of like, I really need to clean my house. My house is clean. It might have a little bit of a mess with toys. It might have a little bit of, you know, dirt in the kitchen or whatever, but that will all get cleaned up and it's very manageable. I think I'm going to continue doing this process because it has been amazing for me. So let me know if you guys try this or if you've done something like this in the past and you really loved it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one.